Hola mi gente, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, to my returning subscribers. If you are new here, hola, my name is Cynthia and welcome. So in today's video, we are going to be decorating in my social media planner. So we're going to decorate the monthly calendar, and then the plan is to decorate also the monthly layout. So let's see how this turns out, guys. And this is part of the YouTube collab loop group. So if you are new to this concept, the way it works, if you started with me, then you will go and watch the next video, which will be down in the description, and you will keep going. And if you loop back to me, then you have finished the loop group videos, and we greatly appreciate your support, guys. So you know, if you are new to anybody's channel, we will appreciate it so much if you go ahead and subscribe, obviously like the video as well, and comment. Let's go ahead and get to know each other and chat, guys. Okay, so and the theme is, you ready for this? Okay, here it goes. Birds. Some of the themes, guys, is like I would have never thought of myself. So like I am so grateful for being part of this loop group, which by the way was created by Creative Lisa Marie, which that's her handle on all platforms, here on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and I'm even pretty sure TikTok. So definitely go give her a check out. I'm like trying to hurry up here because this is supposed to go up on Wednesday, the 7th at 9:00 a.m. Eastern Central Time. And when am I filming this? A Tuesday evening, like way behind. I gotta film it, edit it, upload it, do all the good stuff. And yeah, but you know what? Life happens. I'm not gonna, you know, whatever. It is what it is, guys. So I have these beautiful birds, which I want to use throughout both. Well, you saw the calendar and the monthly layout. Then, and this is from Serilyn art, guys. So definitely go check her out. She's on Etsy. I love, 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 love her stickers. They are so freaking gorgeous. Then I have these jeweled flowers, which, guys, I didn't even know. I was going through my stash and I was like, did I purposely do this? Like, it looks like I purposely did this, but I honestly don't know. I love flowers, so I'm always gonna, you know, be attracted to flowers. But when I was going through the stash, I was like, wait a minute, these flowers are jeweled and the birds are jeweled. Like, hello, I gotta try to make them work together. How that's gonna work, I have no idea. I pulled out some old quotes. I do not believe, I don't know, guys, this is from an old happy planner, but I kind of thought that, you know, it will blend in with the colors of the birds. Let's see what happens. I have this happy quotes happy planner sticker book because there's some quotes here too, and I figure why not. Then I have the old colorful boxes for some boxes, and also the color plan basics for boxes. So yeah, let's just get this pushing, guys. I'm also cooking dinner at the same time, so I have my Alexa set up to go off. I give her a timer, so I'm gonna have to just go ahead and pause and do that at the same time. Like, there's many things going on, guys, many things, but I'm gonna make it happen. So yeah, and then as usual, right now at the moment that we are doing this, my family is not in the apartment with me, but that doesn't mean that they're gonna all of a sudden show up. And then there goes my quietness. Okay, guys, let me think about this. I know I wanted to use this beautiful bird here. I just freaking look how gorgeous, guys. Oh my god, I can't even believe, like, I never thought I would be into birds this way. And look, lo and behold, I am. So let me see. And there goes my alarm, guys. So let me go check the food. I'll be back. And I'm back, guys. So I had to put an additional 10 minutes on the timer, so I gotta go back and check on the food. Let me see. So on my monthlies, well, the monthly calendar for my social media, I don't do a lot of decorating because I actually do use the boxes. I go in there every day. Well, I try to go every day. With social media, it's not so much of a big deal because I could just go on Instagram and backtrack to see what I posted. YouTube, same thing. But I go in here and I actually write in the post that I did. I like to track, you know, the stuff that I'm posting. Okay, See, this is where it's gonna get tricky because I use all the boxes like I said. But you know what? I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out, guys. I just know I want this bird here. So let's lay this beautiful yellowed jeweled bird here, just like that. And look, just with those two birds, guys, it's gorgeous already. Now I also wanted to do some of these jeweled, and then it was so funny too because look, like the jewel flowers match the jewel birds. I don't even know, she probably did this purposely and I didn't even realize, because look, this is perfect. This one and this one is perfect. Then this one and this one is perfect. It's like all the jewel flowers perfectly match the birds. Look, this one and this one, or this one and this one, like oh my gosh, guys, like I'm just so like blown by this simple coincidence. But anyway, so yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoy your time here with me today. If you are new to my channel and you think about hitting that subscribe button, you know, this is hard, man. I'm really trying to work on my YouTube and gain some followers. Well, not followers, it's called subscribers on here. But man, this thing is freaking hard. Now, where do I want you is the question. I was kind of see, but it's gonna take up what is it called, some of the boxes again, and that's just not what I want. Maybe should I do it in the middle and then I'll just cut it? Guys, I think I might want to do that. Let me see. And then I have room around the boxes to write. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that, guys. I don't know, it's just where I want it. So we'll just cut it and we'll punch holes in it. All right, and I definitely wanted this other yellow flower, but where am I gonna put this yellow flower? I want it to be birds, jeweled birds and jeweled flowers. Let me see. Should I put it here? I don't know. I kind of feel like, you know what, this one, maybe I can anchor like that. I think let's try that, guys. Let's see. Let's see how it looks. Let's just see. I don't care if the Saturday gets cut off because I know it's Saturday. Let's give it a try. Hold on. All right, let's cut it around. Let's do it this way. And I could have definitely did that an easier way, but it is what it is. All right, cut a little bit of the page, but don't really care about that. All right. Now I want to use the rest of the remainder of the jewel flower. Maybe over here. No, don't go down yet. Okay. Here? No. I like it like this. I do like it like this. All right. Hold on, guys. Let me see. Okay. Yep. I like it there. We just got to cut this little edge here. All right. Now let's do this one. Now I'm thinking, how do I want to cut it? Should I just... You know what? Let me get my mat. I think I might do it like this. I'll get the mat and my X-Acto knife. And guys, I think that's it for the monthly, because well, you know what? Should I cut it maybe? I'm trying to see which way is the easier, because I don't want to make a crooked. Oh, I miss my skinny scissor. I used to have a pink scissor that was perfect for this, and I don't have a clue to what the heck happened to it. And I hope I'm not cutting the paper. I cut it a little bit, it's no biggie. All right, and then we just gotta cut the holes again. And actually, guys, I bought a little tool, and this is the tool. I got this off of Amazon because there's a tool out there. I'm not gonna mention no names, but if you know, you know. And it's a little pricey. And I found this tool, guys, on Amazon, believe it or not, for under $10. Is it the best little tool? Not at all. Like right now, I have no idea if it cut it the right way or not, but I don't think it did. You know, I did test this off camera and it was perfect, but I don't know, whatever. It's not the end of the world, guys. That's what I say. So yeah, it cut it off a little bit wonky, especially this one. But as long as it goes into my rings, my discs, I should say, I honestly don't care. All right, so let's take this mat off. The only other thing that I like doing here, guys, is I put 2 boxes. One to show me my beginning followers for Instagram, and then one for YouTube. So let me see. Maybe we could pull some from here. So we got yellow and like a blue going on here. So this blue would be perfect. So maybe I could use, let me see, which yellow do I have? I know there's a yellow in here. Oh, and we don't have a small yellow. So should I just do both blue? Hold on, guys. Does anybody else make like a huge, humongous mess when you're planning? Like, my desk started off so pretty, and just in this little bit, it's already a hot mess. Okay, so there's no yellow in here, but it is jewel tone, right? So why not? I'm thinking about using a silver. Let me just see, guys. Yeah, I think the silver will work. I personally think the silver will work. So I'm gonna use the silver. And then I'm gonna use this blue. And then what I'll do is, maybe I'll do like this. And then like this. And it'll be my beginning stats for the month. So one is gonna be for YouTube and one is gonna be for Instagram. And then that's pretty much it, guys. I could probably put like a quote here, but do I really want to? I don't know. Like, I like keeping my monthly so simple, like so simple. You know what? We're gonna hold off on it because I want to make sure that I have enough stuff for the monthly layout. So this is it. This is gonna be the one. This is gonna be it for the monthly calendar. So we're gonna go like this. And where is the other piece? Oh Lord. Okay. All right, here it goes. So here goes. Oh, and there goes my alarm, guys. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, guys. All right, so let me see. So I just want to start off with the birds. Let me start off with the birds. I just wish, I love these birds. I just wish they were facing like different directions, kind of like in the monthly. Like one was facing right and one was facing left. But we're gonna make this work, guys. No need to be super picky. All right, let's put this beautiful nest. Oh no, don't go down. Okay, and as you can see, perfect stickers because look how easy that was to lift. All right, let's see, let's put you maybe, how should I angle you? Let's angle you like this. Let me just put it down a little bit. Yeah. Oh guys, I forgot about this washi. I thought this washi would go good because it has a little bit of all the colors. So let me just think, how do I want to do this? You know what, I'm gonna leave it there for now. Let's just finish laying the birds, and then let's do, I don't know, which one should I do? Let's do the blue. We're gonna do the blue over here. You know what, the blue can actually go right in the smack in the middle. Take up that whole space, why not? You know what, let's leave the blue there lightly. Let's see how, I just want to lay them all and then we'll take it from there. And then we have the green and the orange. We gotta use them all, guys, use them all. The goal is to empty out the sticker sheet. All right, let's see. So where do I want to put you? Should we put you here? I don't know, I feel like it should be angled some kind of way. Okay, I love the way it looks there, but then I'm just trying to think, where am I gonna put the fourth one? So if I put this one here, then see, so it might have to be maybe like this. But I really like the way it looks here, guys. I really do. You know what? Let's just see. My God, these birds are so gorgeous. Like, look at the beautiful flowers and the jewels. Oh my God, like, ugh, I did not think I would be so obsessed over birds. Yeah, see, I think then that I can't use that. I want to use a fourth one. Maybe, but then this is the last bird that I have. I don't want to leave it out. How about if we put you maybe like this? Let's try it, guys. And then I'm gonna have to move you down because I cannot have you so close. All right, guys, let me see. Maybe like this over here. Oh my God, I ripped this sticker over here. Let me just cut it a little bit because it's looking kind of funny. Oh, I know. It's bent in the back. Okay, that's what it is. All right, never mind. Okay, so that is that. That's the birds. Okay, now let me see. Do I still want to use this washi? Is the question. I kind of feel like I do because I want to bring the color in. Let me see. Maybe use a little bit like this. Come on. Alright. Alright, that actually, yeah, I think that'll work. Let me lay this one down. Okay. Now, where should I lay the other one? Should I lay it behind this one? Okay. Guys, I'm liking the way this is coming out. Alright, then this one I have to lay back here. Should I cover the jotted down? I think I'm gonna cover the jotted down. I don't really need it. You can do it like this. Oh my gosh, guys. Alright. And then this one, damn it, this one would have been good to go like behind here. Ay, Dios mío, ¿qué hago? Okay, you know what? Let's lift it a little bit. I really didn't want to because this was already a little ripped due to my fault. But oh my goodness. All right. You know, it's looking a little weird, but if there's one thing I get told is that I am weird, so I guess it'll go with me. Okay. Now, see, but then I feel now that all these sections need a freaking washi. That's the problem. That's the only problem with the washi, is that once I lay it down, then I want it to evenly be put on the page. What the heck, might as well do it. Let's just go for it. Let's just go for it, people. Okay. I love it. All right. And of course, I still want to use these jewels. So let's figure out. I might not be able to use all of them, but let's see. Well, since there's two gone on this page, let me see. I can definitely use the orange. Let me just see, guys. Would it really look bad? Oh my gosh. Is it too much? Maybe. Oh, here I think it'll look good. You know what? Let's lay it like that. Then where can I put this other one? Maybe put it here. I really don't need these boxes. Sometimes I use them, sometimes I don't. Or how about like this, maybe? Would it look bad if I was to cover it like this? I don't think it looks bad, but then I'm gonna want to do something here, so I might have to lay another washi, or oh, let me think about this, guys. I really like this green one too, but I just don't think, I don't want to use too much of it, is the problem. I think I'm gonna lay a little bit of it under this bird, guys. Okay. I'm gonna have to figure something out here. I'm gonna probably just lay a little bit of more washi, because that's gonna, oh, see, I'm ripping it. Okay, guys, let me see. I just want it to be a little bit under. Let me see. Please look the way that I want you to look. It's gonna cover the 1 and the 8. You know, I'm so sorry about this, guys. Just bear with me. I hope I don't freaking destroy this bird, man, because it's ripping in many places. The bird did rip a little bit in a few places, but it's fine. I could deal with the way it looks. Alright. Alright, I actually really like how that looks. Alright. So now the question is, do I just... No, I'm not gonna like the way that looks. So I can maybe do this one like this. Maybe. Does that look bad? No, I don't. It doesn't look bad. Okay. I might just have to. I just hope this now doesn't look bad, because it's gonna be like different colors. How about if I just do the whole like this? Okay. Oh my goodness, guys. All right. So now the only thing that's left here is I would like to put a box here. I usually do put 3 goals here. So this is, I usually use this for my PR task. Then here for tracking. Oh my gosh, I'm poor bird. I'm so sorry. So I track my comments when I post in my stories and my shorts. So PR task goals. And then up here, I usually do like a little collage of like my watch hours for YouTube. Oh my gosh, I can't think right now, guys, but it's usually 3 things. And then here, I usually keep track of my my codes for the shops that I PR, because my memory, guys, sucks. I mean, it really, really sucks. All right. Now, I know here they don't have header boxes, but maybe we can do... We got all these colors now. So let's see what smaller boxes we can find to put maybe in here. Oh my gosh, I love this green. All right, hold on. So we could do the green, we could do the orange. And we have no red, we have no black. What other colors do we have left? Well, I can use the pink to bring out the pink over here. Let's see if these fit, because the color plan boxes are a little bit, just a little bit on the bigger size. So let me see. Maybe if we put one up here, you know what, let's do it like this. Try to take up as much real estate as we can. So we said we'll do the orange, we'll do, where's that lighter green color? Okay, here it goes. We'll do the lighter green color. We'll do it like this, maybe. Okay, and then we'll do the pink here. And the pink can go like this. And those will be my 3 goals. Then I still do want like a header box for these. So let me see if we can find one. Oh, look. Right away we have this one. That pretty much is almost like that one. So let's put this one here. Then what else do we have? Oh, we have pink here. But let me see, what other colors do we have? I can actually use a silver too. Oh, we have, do I want to put black though? This is like so beautifully colored. Oh, we could do blue. We could do blue. Let's do blue. Let's do this blue. Should we do that blue, or should I do this blue? Let's see, which blue? Which blue, guys? Let's do this one. Okay. We can do blue here. Okay. And then we just need one more. This is not really like pink. Let's see, would this one work? Yeah, it'll work. We'll make it work, guys. Okay. So that's that. I do need one here. Should I just do another pink? Oh my gosh, look at this. I didn't even realize all these were lifting like this. I think I'm gonna do another pink. Yeah, let's do another pink here. And this will be for my PR task. Is it too boxy though? It's like, is there too much going on? Maybe bring it down a little bit. Let's bring it down a little bit. You know what? It'll look better once I put the sticker in there, which I'm not gonna be able to do while on the video because it's actually on its way to me. I'm supposed to get it in the mail Friday. So once I get it, I'm gonna put it in there. Yeah, it'll be fine because once I put the stickers in here, then it's gonna be fine, guys. It's gonna be fine. It might look a little weird right now, but it's gonna work out. Now for the checklist, do I want to leave it alone, or do I want to try to put an actual checklist? Or I can use the Colorful Plan big dots. And I think, oh, you know what? Yes, I'm gonna do the big dots because then I could do the orange here. Okay, guys, 1 second. Ooh, child. Am I really gonna be able to finish this film without getting interrupted? Is it really gonna happen? Maybe I should not say nothing. Probably just jinxed myself. Ooh, and dinner looks so good, guys. So good. And I usually don't eat dinner because I don't like eating late. Oh, gosh, of course I gotta be OCD and want to cover that because it's gonna bother me. Just give me a second, guys. This poor bird, man. I have put it through misery. Come on, please. I just need you to lift a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, see? Just like that. Okay, where's my white out? Come on now. Okay, perfect. All right, you go back down. You go back down. And you go back down. All right. Oh my gosh, yes, yes, yes. I am loving it. All right. I'm almost tempted to interchange the dots. No. Let me not do too much. So we're gonna do, should I do all of them? I don't know. I think that might, or we'll have one of this worked, guys. Hold on. Let me try this instead of doing all these individual dots because this is gonna it's gonna drive me crazy. Let's try it. Let's try it. Maybe do just a checklist. Oh my gosh. Yes. There's a little bit there. Let me just white it out. And come on now. Okay. Yep. So this is gonna be my PR task. I'm gonna write down all my tasks that I have to accomplish for the month. Now we just gotta work on this side. And like I said, I usually use 3 boxes here, but I can use one here. You know what? Let's try to use these boxes because I could probably put like a quote there. Let's use one box here. Should I put it like this? No, let's put it there. We could use that one box there. Why not? And I could use this one box here. And then let me just get another dot. And which color do I want? I think I'm gonna do the green. I don't know. I am loving this green. Let's do the green. And I could have cut these in half too, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna use the whole thing. Okay, so yeah, these are gonna be my 3 boxes because I still have room to to write. I don't need a lot of writing space in all of them, so I'll be fine. Now, I have these quotes, guys. So this is what I'm talking about. So, oh, which one do I want to use? Count your blessings. I really like that one. But I kind of like this one because it takes up that whole space there. You know what? Let's go with my gut. This is the one that's I'm being attracted to right now. So you see, the problem is I love it there, but then I'm still gonna have that whole big empty space there. Should I even care? Should I even care? You know what? I like the way it looks there, so that's where it's gonna go. I'll figure out the rest later. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. Then we have Live in the Sunshine. And this one you can actually put here. I mean, it's green on green, but who the heck cares? I could have moved over the bird. No. I want it here. I'm gonna put it here. Let's put it like this. Oh my goodness. I am so loving how this is turning out, guys. I need the space empty. I got all of that. Maybe I can put a box here. Should I put this quote? I just feel like that's too many quotes then. And I could probably put this one back in the calendar. You know what? Let's see if I could just put one box here. And you know what? I'll find a use for it. And I do want the pink. Let's put a pink. And if these are not big enough for what I need, then I can use this one. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. And should I put it straight or should I angle it some kind of way? Let's see. What other quotes did I have? Yeah, no. Oh. No, I think it's boring if it's just straight, guys. Let me angle it. Yeah, I like it angled better. And I could have probably angled it a little bit towards more that way, but does it really make a difference? Oh boy. Let me know down below, guys, how are you doing? I'm so rude. I never really ask, but then again, I never really get to talk this long. Okay, guys, I think that's it. Let me look through this sticker book real quick, just to see if something pops up at me. Maybe I can squeeze like a little quote somewhere. I don't know. Let's just see. Let's see. Look, this one is cute, but let me see. Happy life. Oh, you know what? That one I could probably put up there. Why not? I think this will look cute here. Yep, I think that's cute. Maybe find just one little one here, because now I feel like this page is done, but now I feel like we need a quote here because we have all these quotes over there. Let me see. And it has to be a small one. It can't be a big one. And I don't want to do the happy hour. have these. How would it look if I was to do one of these? I don't know. And I think that's it for the quotes. I think all the quotes are back there. All right, guys, let's attempt this one more time. And if I can't do it, I can't do it. And then that's it. We're calling it quits. We are calling it quits. I do really like this Good Vibes one. You know what? Let's just see how it looks. Maybe do like this. Or should I put it like this? No, I think I like it like this better. You know what? It's gonna go there. Okay. That is it, guys. I am finito. Ya, llegamos al fin. Llegamos al fin, llegamos al fin. Llegamos al fin, llegamos al fin. Now remember, I know the calendar looks a little plain, but it does get, you know what, I'm gonna put this one here. I am. It does get filled. And I also use highlight, my light, oh my gosh, I can't talk. I also use my mild liners to highlight. So it's gonna be very colorful at the end. But yep, that's it, guys. Let me go ahead and pop it into my planner. I'll bring it up to you guys. I can't believe this actually turned out somewhat as I pictured it. Okay, guys, so here it goes. So this is the August. So this is the monthly. I'll bring it up so you guys can take a closer look. And then, well, this is the monthly calendar. This is where I put all the posts for each day on Instagram and YouTube. And then this is the monthly layout, which I mostly use for my PRs. Ooh. And to track my short stories and comments, because I suck at comments, guys. I am trying to get better. Here we go. And that is it, guys. I hope that this did not take as long as I'm thinking it took. I really love how this came out, especially this part of it. Like, I'm loving how colorful it came out. I'm loving the jeweled birds, the jeweled flowers, and I'm even loving this. I am really loving this. I love simplicity also. It doesn't always have to be super bright. And I love how we go from light, nice simple color to like bam. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed your time here with me today. Let me know what you guys think. Remember, this is also part of the YouTube collab loop group video, so make sure that you go and check out the next person that I'll be posting or noting in my description box. Guys, I'll also put down, where did I put it? I'll also make a note of this down below. I'm gonna link it on my Amazon shop. If you're interested, because like I said, that one is definitely a way cheaper version. You do have to maybe concentrate a little bit more so you don't mess up the punches, but it still works. And if it's like I said, under $10 or maybe just a little bit over $10 is way better than, you know, that other brand that a lot of people have. And it's so super light, and it's small, easy to travel with. It's not bulky. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you so much. I hope that you think about hitting the subscribe button if you are new to my channel, the like if you liked the video, and of course don't forget the notification bell. You'll be notified when I post my next video, guys. Thank you so much. As always, I appreciate you, and to the next time, mi gente.